Okay, team. Hey, so here we are in the next section. We're doing 2.3 reflections. So we already did a translation, which is just a shift or a slide. Now we do reflections. And if you've ever looked in a mirror, then you've already seen what a reflection is like. So there are two kinds of reflections that we're used to seeing. And that is if it goes over the y-axis, so otherwise known as a horizontal reflection, and then also a reflection in the x-axis, or a vertical reflection. All right. So here's what it looks like to reflect in the y-axis. I'm going to show you here. If this is my original figure, I'm going to go boom right over the top of the y-axis. Do you see that? It's kind of like it jumps into 3D for a second. But that's my reflection in the y-axis. And then I could also do a reflection in the x-axis or over the x-axis. I kind of think of it as being over the x-axis because it literally does a little flip and a flop right over, all right? So that's what a reflection looks like. There's your two different kinds of reflections. Here's one example that you may come across in your assignments. So you're given an original figure, and we are asked to, where did my face go? I kind of want my face in this still. There I am. I'm asked to take this triangle and reflect it in the x-axis. All right, so my little trick is the counting method. So if I'm starting with point A and I want to reflect in the x-axis, I can see that A is 1 unit away from the x-axis. So I know A prime in my image after my reflection is going to be 1 unit the other direction. So A is going to go, it's 1 unit here, so I need to go 1 unit the opposite direction. B is 1, 2, 3 units away from the x-axis, so B prime is 1, 2, 3 units the other direction. Same with C. I have 1, 2, 3 units from the x-axis. I need to go 1, 2, 3 units the other way. Now, when I click, you can see what that looks like. All right. Now, just a quick reminder that my first shape, my original figure, after my translation or reflection or rotation, my new shape after that is called the image, and I use prime notation so that I can tell which of these shapes was my original and which is my image. All right. So I got these primes here so that I know that. But yeah, I can see I can just count to make that mirror image over the other side. All right. Okay, well, hey, I will provide another example in another video, but that right there is reflections in a nutshell. Thanks for playing.